Hello everyone, welcome to Abhyan Tech. If you want to start your career in software development, artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, automation, and cybersecurity, then Python is the best programming language to learn. So we are starting complete Python programming course on this channel from absolute beginner level. And Python is a very powerful and beginner friendly programming language in the world. So it is widely used in companies like Google, Netflix, and Instagram. So in this course, you will learn Python step by step with easy explanations, real-time examples, practice programs, interview questions, coding problems, and mini projects. So even if you have no programming background, you can easily follow this course. So by the end of this course, you will be able to write programs confidently and build a strong foundation for your future career. So don't miss the upcoming videos. Subscribe to Abhyan Tech and start your Python journey with us. Thank you for watching.